Stop chasing people, I mean it. Stop right now, because what I am about to tell you in the next few minutes is going to completely flip the way you see yourself, your relationships, and honestly your entire life. And if you scroll past this video, I promise you, you will keep ending up in the same painful cycle where you text first, you check if they saw your story, you wonder why they left you on read, and you go to sleep feeling like you are not enough. So stay with me, because this might be the most important video you watch this year. Here is the raw truth that nobody tells you when you are young. The more you chase people, the more they run. And it is not because something is wrong with you. It is because of a deep psychological principle called the scarcity effect. Human beings are wired to value what feels rare and ignore what feels easily available. Think about it. The friend who is always available, always saying yes, always texting first. You love them, sure, but you do not feel that magnetic pull toward them. Now think about that one person who is a little unpredictable, a little hard to read, sometimes warm, sometimes distant, and suddenly your brain is obsessed. That is not love, that is psychology. And once you understand this, you stop being the person who chases, and you become the person who gets chased. The first thing you need to do is build what I call an emotional center of gravity. Most people have no anchor inside themselves. Their mood depends on who texted them back, who liked their post, who invited them out, and when none of that happens, they spiral. They feel worthless. But the people who get chased, the ones everyone wants to be around, they have something different. They have a life that is full without anyone else completing it. They have goals they are obsessed with, hobbies that light them up, a vision for their future that keeps them busy. And when you are genuinely locked into your own growth, something strange happens. People start noticing you, not because you are shouting for attention, but because you are glowing with purpose, and purpose is the most attractive energy on this planet. The second shift is learning the power of emotional control, and I do not mean being cold or playing games. I mean not reacting to everything. Most people are emotionally reactive. Someone ignores them and they panic. Someone gives them attention and they overinvest. But when you learn to stay grounded, when you stop giving your energy away to people who have not earned it, you create this aura of quiet confidence that drives people crazy. They start wondering about you. What are you thinking? Why are you not chasing? Are you talking to someone else? And that curiosity is what pulls them in. You did not manipulate anyone, you just stopped being desperate and started being selective. Now here is something most people in this audience will not do, and that is exactly why most people stay stuck. The ones who actually apply what they learn in videos like this, those are the ones whose lives change, and you can usually tell who those people are, because they are the same ones who engage, who save videos, who come back and say this actually worked, and I hope you are one of them. The third thing is mastering the art of walking away. And I know this sounds scary, especially when you are 15, 18, 22, and every friendship and relationship feels like your whole world. But listen to me carefully. The moment you prove to yourself that you can walk away from someone who does not value you, something shifts inside your chest. You feel a power you have never felt before. It is not arrogance, it is self-respect, and self-respect is the foundation of every single magnetic personality you have ever admired. Think about the people you look up to online, in movies, in real life. They all have one thing in common. They do not beg, they do not over-explain, they do not shrink themselves to fit into spaces that were never meant for them, and that energy, that unbothered but deeply intentional energy, is what makes the world chase them. So here is where I leave you with this, and please hear me, because I am not just saying words. I lived this. I was the person who over-texted, over-loved, over-gave, and got nothing back, and it nearly broke me until I realized that the problem was never that I was not enough. The problem was that I was giving my enough to people who did not deserve it. So tonight, when you put your phone down, I want you to make one decision, just one. Decide that from this moment forward, you will never again shrink yourself to make someone else comfortable. You will never again chase someone who has shown you they do not care. You will invest in yourself so deeply that the right people will have no choice but to notice you, because the world does not chase the loud, the world chases the certain. And your journey to becoming that person starts right now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. The only question is, are you going to do it, or are you going to watch another video and stay exactly where you are?